What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be talking about double recessives and how important they are to a collector and breeder of ball pythons. But first, let's do an unboxing. So what we have here is a Mojave Crypton. Now a Crypton is a clown and a cryptic gene. They're allelic with each other. And they create this beautifully thin banded animal here. And if you breed it to a clown, 50% of them will come out clown and 50% will come out Crypton. So this is going to go really good with my double recessive projects. So he's got some pretty good size to him already. I think he'll be able to go for me later on this season. And that's going to be awesome because I have an Enchi Clown that's going to go perfect with this. In fact, let me show her to you. So here we got an Enchi Clown. I got her from Outback Reptiles. Enchi is an incomplete dominant gene, meaning that you only need one copy of it to be expressed. When mixed with clown, it really reduces the pattern, provides a lot of orange, and has this really beautiful head stamp. I kind of like to think of this one as a water bear. You guys know tardigrades? It kind of looks like a tardigrade there. So when I breed her with the Crypton 100% het Ultramel Mojave, I will get 50% Cryptons and 50% clowns with possibilities of having Mojave and Enchi in them. So a really cool project. This girl, she is already at 1,200 grams and she's a 2020. Never skipped a meal. She'll be definitely ready to go come this October. And I'm just super excited to make more of her and make Cryptons. It's gonna be really awesome. Check out those tears. Classic clown tears right there. Super beautiful. Before I show you a couple more that I'll be putting that Crypton into, let's talk about the advantages of having double visual recessives in your projects. First of all is the beauty. Imagine you include an albino with a clown. That's going to be an incredibly beautiful animal. The three projects I'm working on: Crypton Ultramel or Clown Ultramel, Axanthic Puzzle, and Hypopides. So all visually stunning by themselves, but combine them together and you have different contrast, different color, different patterns, and it's just beautifully amazing animals. Number two is the rarity of them. When you breed two hets together, two double hets, it's a 1 in 16 chance of hitting the visual. And that rarity just makes it something that everybody wants in their collection. Number three, that rarity means that they retain their value as well. It's just really hard to produce and there's not very many out there, so they retain their value, they go for really high prices, and if you want to sell them later down the road, they'll still have a really good price to them. Here goes another female clown I have. I got her from Supreme Exotic Feed Company from here in San Diego. and she is a Mystic Clown. Now Mystic mixes with Mojave and creates a Mystic Potion. So a Mystic Potion Clown, Mystic Potion Crypton. I think that'd be a pretty cool combo. She won't be ready this year, but definitely something to have going forward on this project. And finally, we have the Hurricane. I got this Hurricane from Gray's Reptiles here in San Diego. And the Hurricane has this really crazy pattern to it. Really good contrast between the alien heads and the deep blacks. And honestly, the Hurricane Clown is a little disappointing to me, but I really believe the future of it lies in the Crypton Hurricane. Can you imagine this crazy pattern combined with the crazy pattern of the Crypton? You're gonna get a beautifully stunning animal, I believe. I'm super excited for that project. I really want to thank you guys for watching this video. I just hit a milestone here on YouTube, 200 subscribers, which is super cool. I want to send stickers out to anybody who is my subscriber, so look for the information below. Send me an email or contact me through Instagram and I'll send you some stickers. And yeah, thank you so much for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next week, I want to share with you the Hypopide project, and I want to talk about the disadvantages of having a double recessive project. So guys, thank you so much. Have a good one.